Welcome back to the video, everyone. Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this beat. Today we're going through 2 CrossFit workouts that you can do. Let's get into the video.
Rock Legion.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
guys, so what you just saw there was a 10-minute strength piece. It was just a single clean and jerk. That was the strength piece. What we did after was the actual workout, which it was every 30 seconds for 20 minutes, and it was one clean and jerk. The highest level weight was 185. I did 155, that was the girls' weight. But hey, that's pretty good for me, considering this is like one of my weakest lifts. And I'm still learning, man, so I definitely wanted to work on that form. It still challenged me, it got hard. To be honest, I had to go tape my thumbs like halfway, I think round 12. I had to go tape my thumbs because my thumbs were just gonna tear. But yeah, that helped a lot. That was the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed that little piece. Gonna go home, post-workout meal. I'm gonna show you guys that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Follow me over on Instagram, shots_G. Let me know you came from here. Catch you guys next one.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right,
Alright guys, so today's workout consisted of deadlifts, box jumps, muscle ups. We couldn't do muscle ups. We substituted it with burpee pull-ups because my hands are just torn to bits. I'm gonna throw some little screenshots up on there of my freaking hands. They ripped over the weekend. Just last week it kind of just started And then over the weekend, they were just toast. And like today, I just literally, I'm kind of a little upset right now, I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like I could have pushed a lot harder during that workout, but I just had to go slow because my hands on the deadlift, it was a heavy deadlift, and my hands were just like tearing even more. They're already tore, and I'm letting them heal. And then I couldn't do muscle ups, and lately I've been getting muscle ups in workouts, like I can actually do them and push myself with the movement. So a little upset today, but hey, we just did the best we could. We still got the weight, we still got the work done, we still got to get sweated, man, so that's all that matters. But deadlifts at 315, burpee pull-ups, 7 burpee pull-ups, 5 deadlifts at 315, and then 21 box jumps, 24-inch height. If you guys need help substituting any of these movements, go ahead and drop it in the comments or shoot me a message over on Instagram. I'd love to help you guys out. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, have a post-workout smoothie, little post-workout meal. You guys have seen it. If not, go check out one of my old videos, a full day of eating on a low carb day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on those notifications. Follow me on Instagram, man. I'm so pumped that you guys are on this journey. If you guys feel stuck or unmotivated in your current training regimen or eating, you can't seem to get on track with eating, apply for one-on-one coaching. The link is in the description. I'd love to help you guys out. I'd love to help you find that excitement, that fun, just get excited about your fitness journey, about making gains, all that stuff. I'd love to help you guys out. Link is in the description. Make sure and apply. For any supplements, go to oneupnutrition.com. Code SHOTSG will save you 20% off of, on top of whatever deals they got going on. So it saves you some money, it helps me grow, it helps the channel grow. So yeah, man, I'm so pumped that you guys are on this journey. Make sure you guys come back and stay tuned. 2 videos every week, man. Breakfast Club CTG, we out this beat.